The world's first car race took place in 1894, organized by a Paris newspaper named Le Petit Journal. The race covered a distance of about 79 miles from Paris to Rouen and was open to vehicles without any specific rules regarding their design or power source. Interestingly, the winner of the race wasn't a gasoline-powered car, but a steam-powered vehicle built by the dédillon-bouton company. This historic event marked the beginning of organized automobile racing, sparking interest and innovation in automotive technology and competition.